Namaskar, hello everyone. So you can see the demo exam in progress over here. So these teachers can also see. One student, Kevna, she has finished the exam in 1 minute. Here the time when I have sent the exam will come over here. The time in which the student start the exam will come over here, and the time in which the student finish the exam. Now this should always in focus, means the student was in the form throughout the exam. This should not be out of focus. If it's out of focus, that means the student has opened some other form during, or he has opened some other tab during the exam. So this should not be the case. You have to be in your form throughout the exam. And if you are out of the form, then it will display unfocused. So all these students in progress means still giving the exam, exam finished. This student haven't opened his exam. You will get only 10 minutes to open the exam. Within 10 minutes you have to open the link. If you open the link after 10 minutes, then your marks will not be calculated. Like for example, the time in which I have sent the link to you was, suppose it was 10 am. This is the time in which I have sent the link. So you have to start the exam by, or you have to activate the link by 10:10. So within 10 minutes you have to start your exam. If you will not start your exam within 10 minutes, you will be treated as late. If it's 10:11, if it's 10:11, that means you were late. You are late. So within 10 minutes of receiving the link, you have to start your exam. Like over here you can see 10:38 I have sent the link, and it's 10:55 right now. So if this student gives the exam, his marks will not be calculated, or its marks will not be added. So you have been provided the link, and the time in which you have received the link will be visible in our dashboard, and we can track you from here. These are some of the information that will be visible to us. There are more information that I am not showing you. So all the information who is now it shouldn't be time now. That now see this case of this student over here. Time is over. Time is over means she didn't click on the submit button. After the exam was over, you have to click on the submit button. If you will not click on the submit button, your exam will not submit and you will get 0. So you have to click on the submit button. If you will not click on the submit button within the given time, like in this demo exam I had given you 15 minutes. So if you will not click on the exam within 15 minutes, your marks will not be calculated. It's time over here. Time over means finish, 15 minutes were over, and this student, he or she did not click on the submit button. So at the end of the form you will find one submit button. Once your exam is over, you have attempted all the questions, then you have to click on the submit button. So within 15 minutes, the time duration is 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, if you didn't click on the submit button, your form will not submit. So you have to click on the submit button. Before the exam, you start the exam, you have to read the instruction. Before you click on the submit button, you will also find these instructions. Filled with stars are compulsory. In the field where you find star, you have to write something inside it. It is compulsory, you cannot leave it. Question number, this is, since this is a demo test, so I have just written 8, 10. The question number, it can be question number 1 to 10 are of 1 marks. Question number 10 to 20 are of 2 marks. So it will be mentioned over here. You can open the form only once. You can't open the form multiple times. You cannot open the form. It is only one time form, so you can open it only once. So in between the form, do not close it. Do not close the form in middle of the exam. Do not go out of the tab during the exam. So you have to be in this form throughout the exam, or it will be treated under unfair means. If you are late by 10 minutes to open your form or the link, then your form will not be checked and you will receive 0. If you will forget to click on the submit button, you will be marked absent and no marks will be allotted to you. Now, do not attempt the question with the heading skip this field. There is one question with the label head skip this field. You don't have to attempt it. It is used to track your time. So these are the questions. This type of question you will be getting in your exam. This is just a demo. Select the odd one. You have to select only one option. MCQ based question will be coming. Now this field you don't have to do. Skip this field. Correct input devices. Sometimes you have to write the answer also. You can type and write the answer. Choose the correct option. You have to select the correct option. This is a drop down list. From here you have to select the correct option. You can type also coronavirus disease 2019. You have to select the correct option. Now this field is compulsory. If there is a star over here, you have to write something inside it. You have to write something in it. And your class name in class you have to write your full name in capital letter. And then you can write your class 1, class first. Then you have to click on submit button. Within the time you can see when you're opening your form, you will get timer over here. On the beginning you can see the timer. On the top of your screen you will be finding timer. So before the time is over, you have to click on this submit button. This is very important. If you will not click on the submit button, then this case will happen with you. Time over. It will display time over if you will not click on the submit button, and your form will not be saved and you will be getting 0. So this is the work in progress of the student who are doing demo exam or who are giving demo exam. So this student, they finished. This student finished in 14 minutes, finished in 1 minute, 11 minutes. This student haven't started, so you won't be getting any marks. It's too late now. Not started. Finish. This time was over. Finished in 6 minutes. Finished in 10 minutes. So this is the work in progress of the student. Finish. Time was over of the student. Forgot to finish in submit button. So you have to click on the submit button before the time is over. So if you finish the exam well in time and still there are 2 or 3 minutes left, so just click on the submit button. Don't wait for the last moment. Don't wait for last 5 or 6 seconds. If it's 10 seconds or 1 minute left, just click on the submit button if you have finished the work. Not yet started. Finish the exam. This should be always in focus. Always in focus means the student was always in the form throughout the exam. Time was over. Now, so in this case, unfocused one time. Unfocused means this student went out of the form once. So this should not be the case because you won't be getting marks if it is unfocused. So unfocused means that you have opened some other form, some other tabs, and then by opening some other tabs you can do whatever you want to do. So this should not be the case. Unfocused should not be there. It should always be focused, like here, always in focus, always in focus. Finish in 9 minutes. This unfocused 4 times. So if it's unfocused, you won't be getting any marks. Unfocused, it should always be focused. This should not be unfocused. That means you have to remain in your form throughout the exam. If you move out of the form to some other tabs, like to this tab or to some other tab, then it will display unfocused, and then your marks will not be counted. This student still giving the exam, but unfocused one time. Unfocused one time. This should not be the case. Unfocused, always in focus. This is good. Always in focus. So this type of questions you will be getting, and you, especially in junior classes, class first, second, third, your teachers will be sending you the link through WhatsApp only, but the form will remain same. But for other students, you will be getting your links in your email IDs. So you can open your Gmail. If you want to check where you have got the link, for that you have to open your Gmail account. Just click on Gmail. Just type Gmail, and then inside Gmail you will find the link. You will find the link. So first of all, you have to open your Gmail account. You can't open the link more than once. If you will open the link more than once, this information will be displayed. Sorry, link is not found or has already been used. So you can't open the link multiple times, since it is one time open link only. If you are in the class, suppose this is your class, and from here you want to go to Gmail, so click on these buttons over here and choose the option Gmail. It will open your Gmail account. Directly you can go to class and then open Gmail. And in Gmail you can find your link. By clicking on the link, you can open your form. So this is the link, and you can click on the link and start your exam. These are links. You can click on the link and then start your exam. You will be getting the links 5 minutes before the exam. Suppose your exam is at 11, so 10:55 you will be getting the link. You can go through the instructions. 10, start the exam, and before the time is over, you have to click on the submit button. So still some students are doing their exam. Teachers can track the students from here, as well as from here also the teachers can see. Now 43 students, they have responded. So the teachers can check, they can open the Google form and then check the answers of the students by clicking on this response button. Here all the response of the student will be visible, and once the exam is over, once your UT is finished, the teacher can open the response in the class and they can show it to the students. Individual, there are 42 to 43 forms I have received. So I can see over here all the form details, first, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth form. So the student, name of the student, forgot to mention the class, this student. So these are the answers that the student has given. This was wrong, so you can see there are 27. COVID disease 19. Okay. So this is how teacher can see your response, and in the class also, so the teachers can show the answers. So your answer, whatever answer you have tried, everything will be saved in the Google Drive, and the teacher can access it. Of all the students, we can get the responses. Response 5, 6, 7. You can see over here 7, 8, 9, 10. I have got 43 responses, and then I can check all the response. And here still some students are doing the work. Some have already finished, some have not started. If it's not started, they won't be getting any marks. And now if you are having any problem related to how to open the form, or how to start, or how to open Gmail, the students can contact their class teachers, and class teacher, they have to tell the students how to open the Gmail, and all your information, all the link will be provided to you either in your Gmail or in your WhatsApp. So those students who had given the exam, demo exam, I think it is clear to you now how to give the exam. The questions which were there in the demo were not related to your topic. This was just to give you an example, or just to show you how you are going to attempt the answers. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are having any query, you can ask your class teachers. Thank you everyone.